How to make an e-commerce website for free with payment gateways, 2023. To make an e-commerce website for free with payment gateways in 2023, you can follow these steps. Choose an e-commerce platform. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, and more. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Sign up for an account. Once you have chosen your e-commerce platform, sign up for an account. Most platforms offer a free trial period, which allows you to test out the platform before committing to it. Choose a website template. E-commerce platforms offer a variety of website templates that you can customize to fit your brand. Choose a template that fits your needs and customize it as needed. Add your products. Add your products to your website, including product descriptions, prices, and images. Set up payment gateways. Most e-commerce platforms offer payment gateway integrations, such as PayPal, Stripe, and more. Set up the payment gateways you want to use and ensure they are connected to your website. Test your website. Before launching your website, test it thoroughly to ensure it is functioning correctly and that the payment gateways are working properly. Launch your website. Once you are satisfied with your website, launch it and begin promoting your products. Keep in mind that while some e-commerce platforms offer a free plan, there may be additional fees for certain features or payment processing fees. It's important to research and understand the costs associated with running an e-commerce website before launching it.